Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Dev C++ on PC or laptop in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and open up Google. Now in the Google search bar, we want to type in Dev C++, download SourceForge, then hit enter. And now this first result, so it's from sourceforge.net dev C++ download. Go ahead and click into that. So you need to get to a page that looks similar to this, and it should be brought to you by this user here. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name because I don't think I'll probably stuff it up. Alright, from here we need to go ahead and click on the download button, and then it will say your download will start shortly. Alright, and now it's starting in the top right hand corner. It's about 50 megabytes in size, so once that's finished downloading, go ahead and click into it. If it doesn't appear there, go to your download section in your computer and open it up. Now from here, let's go through the setup. So now it's going to unpack the data. Now you need to select the language. So you've got different languages. I'm going to choose English, and then read this, and then click I agree. Then from here, click next. You can choose your destination folder. I'm going to install it there. And now this is going to go ahead and install Dev C++ version 5.11 time of recording. It's not a big file, it's about 350 megabytes in size as well. Then from here, go ahead and click on finish, and you can run Dev C++ and it's installed onto your computer. You might come to this, it'll say Dev C++ first time configuration. I'm going to choose English. You can change your font, color, icons, click next, then click OK.